If you drive a diesel car, there's one simple truth you already know. A diesel engine will take care of you, if you take care of it first, but most drivers only react when something goes wrong. Today we're flipping that script because I'm about to show you 5 things you should check every 5,000 miles. 5 simple habits that will keep your diesel running stronger, longer, and cheaper. Miss just one of these and your engine could slowly start wearing down without you noticing. But stay with me, and you'll know exactly how to protect your investment. Let's start with the big one, engine oil. Even though diesel engines don't run hotter than gasoline engines, they do create far more soot, pressure, and combustion byproducts. That means the oil works harder and gets contaminated faster. If you only follow the long oil change intervals in some modern manuals, 10,000, 12,000, even 15,000 miles, you're practically asking for accelerated wear. For diesel engines, a 5,000 to 500-mile oil change is the sweet spot, no matter what the manual claims. That's how you protect pistons, turbos, bearings, and everything else relying on that thin film of oil. Every 5,000 miles, pull the dipstick and check 3 things: the level, the color, and the texture. Dark oil is normal for diesel. Thick sludge is not. If it feels gritty or smells like unburned fuel, that's contamination, usually from leaky injectors or excessive soot. And make sure you're using diesel-rated oil like ACAC3 or APICK4. Gasoline oil won't cut it here. Protect the oil, and the rest of the engine follows. Next up is something car owners forget, but diesel owners really shouldn't: the fuel filter. Diesel fuel systems are incredibly precise, and contamination is their worst enemy. Water, dirt, or low-quality diesel can quickly clog the filter and stress the injectors. Every 5,000 miles, listen to the signs: hard starts, slow cranking, rough idle, or hesitation when accelerating. If your filter has a water drain, use it. A fuel filter is cheap. Injectors are not. Even if the maintenance schedule says you're good up to 10 or 20,000 miles, although this is correct, inspecting it every 5,000 keeps small issues from turning into major ones. Now let's talk about the air filter, one of the biggest performance killers when neglected. Diesel engines rely on huge amounts of clean air to run efficiently. Anything restricting airflow makes the engine burn fuel unevenly, which leads to sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and, yes, darker exhaust smoke. Every 5,000 miles, remove your air filter and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light through it, your engine definitely can't. Check for dust buildup, insects, and torn edges. A clean air filter doesn't just help the engine breathe, it also protects the turbo from ingesting debris. And that brings us to number 4, your turbocharger hoses and intercooler connections. If you drive a diesel car, there's a very good chance it's turbocharged. That means your entire power band depends on airtight pressure. Over time, rubber hoses can crack, dry out, or loosen at the clamps. When that happens, you get boost leaks, one of the most common but overlooked issues in diesel cars. Symptoms include loss of power, strange whistling noises, and higher fuel consumption. Every 5,000 miles, inspect the hoses by touch. Look for oil mist around the joints, which often means a small leak. Check the clamps and look over the intercooler for dents or signs of excessive oil residue. Catching a boost leak early restores power you may not even realize you've lost. Finally, let's talk about your diesel exhaust after-treatment system, your DPF, and, if equipped, your DF or AdBlue tank. The DPF collects soot and burns it off during regeneration cycles. But if your driving is mostly short trips or city miles, regenerations may not complete properly. That's when soot builds faster than it can burn away. Every 5,000 miles, pay attention to your car's behavior. Loss of power, unusually high idle, or sudden dips in fuel economy can all signal a struggling DPF. Sometimes the fix is easy. Take the car on a longer drive at highway speeds to allow a full regeneration. Ignore it, though, and the DPF can clog to the point where cleaning or replacement becomes unavoidable and expensive. And don't forget the DEF or AdBlue tank. If your diesel uses it, check the level regularly. When it gets too low, the vehicle may limit performance or eventually refuse to start until it's refilled. It's a simple check that prevents a needless headache. Now, before we wrap up, let's go deeper, because if you truly want your diesel to stay healthy past the 200,000-mile mark, there are a few bonus habits that almost no one talks about, yet they make a massive difference. Here's the first one. Listen to your engine. Diesels don't usually change tone unless something is starting to drift out of spec. A new vibration at idle, a slightly harsher clatter, or even a faint ticking under load. These are early indicators that something is developing long before it becomes a real problem. Most drivers don't notice because the changes happen slowly, but if you're checking every 5,000 miles, you'll catch these small shifts early and know when it's time to look deeper. Another habit that pays off? Monitor your fuel economy. Diesel engines are consistent, so when your mileage drops even a little, it's rarely random. It's usually pointing to something specific, a dirty air filter, worn-out glow plugs, developing boost leaks, or a DPF that isn't regenerating properly. Keeping an eye on your average MPG is like having a built-in diagnostic tool, one that warns you weeks before a warning light ever comes on. Next, let's talk about something that separates smart diesel owners from frustrated diesel owners: driving patterns. Short trips are the silent enemy of modern diesel engines. They don't let the engine warm up fully, they don't allow the oil to burn off moisture, and they make DPF regenerations almost impossible to complete. If your routine is mostly short, slow drives, do your engine a favor once in a while and take it on a longer highway run. 10 to 15 minutes at steady speed can dramatically improve emissions health, help turbos spool cleanly, and keep the DPF functioning properly. And here's something many drivers overlook: your cooling system. Even though diesel engines don't run hotter than gasoline engines, they do rely heavily on stable operating temperatures. Coolant that's old, contaminated, or low can affect combustion efficiency and turbo performance. Every 5,000 miles, take a quick look at your coolant level and make sure the fluid is clean. It's a tiny check that prevents major headaches down the road. Finally, let's talk mindset. A diesel car isn't just another vehicle, it's a long-term machine built for durability and torque. When you adopt these simple habits, you're not just maintaining it, you're extending its life far beyond what most owners achieve. Your turbo works easier, your injectors stay healthier, your DPF regenerates more reliably, and your oil stays cleaner between changes. The payoff is a diesel that feels strong, smooth, and dependable for years, sometimes decades. So when you check these 5 things every 5,000 miles, you're not just performing maintenance. You're investing in longevity, you're keeping your engine efficient, and you're preventing the kind of repairs that send people searching for new cars when they didn't need to. Your diesel is capable of incredible lifespan when you give it the small attention it deserves. Take care of your diesel, and it will take care of you. If you want more diesel maintenance tips, troubleshooting guides, or breakdowns of how diesel systems work, drop a comment and let me know what you want to see next. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Until next time, drive safe and keep that diesel purring.